let's go now to a little bit more fleshed out version of Seeds. And for that, I've created another Drupal website, this time for our vice president running for vice president again. And this is your classic campaign website again, right? But this time, behind the Action Center button, I have already gone ahead and integrated Seeds. So I'll come over here. I have an account here. I could sign in with Facebook, but I'll sign in. There we go. We're signed in, and there's Joe Biden and his aviators. We're seeing content from his Instagram account. We're seeing an announcement up there that's been posted about President Obama. There's some great events listed down the side here. And I can click over to our download center, and there's great content in there, some PowerPoint volunteer presentations. I can filter this down, which is great. I'll come back to the dashboard. And I want to show you something that I think is really, really cool about Seeds. And it was a decision that we made from the beginning to use responsive design so that as you shrink this window here, you'll notice that the content layout changes. And that's because we're using the same exact code base for tablet, for phone. If I want to interact with Seeds on my iPad, for instance, right, here's the same exact website here on the iPad. You can see it kind of flips and changes layout there, which is really, really awesome. And let's say I'm out on the road and I really want to know which event I should go to. I'm trying to find an event nearby. So let's see. I'll mirror my iPhone here so you guys can all see it. And open up my browser where I already have the Seeds, this same Seeds instance running. I'm on the Biden for Veep campaign Seeds. And I can look at content here. Let's go to the events. So I'll click the events icon at the top, and I can see events near me. That Sunday evening phone bank looks good. So I'll click that. I'll RSVP, and there we go. I'm RSVP'd for the event for my mobile device. This is the same code base as is running on the web. And this is really great because this is going to allow us to provide custom iPhone apps, custom mobile apps for every campaign that wants one. They'll be able to have apps that their supporters can download in the App Store, and that's a really great way to keep your supporters checking back if you can get a spot on their home screen, which is really awesome. I'm going to go back to the demo and show you one last thing before we talk about integration, and that is grassroots fundraising pages. Everybody knows that if you're going to make a fundraising ask, it's always better to ask from somebody who knows that person, right? To have folks ask their friends and family to make a donation rather than asking, cold calling people or anything like that. And so what we've done is we've made it very, very easy for any supporter of yours to launch their very own grassroots fundraising page. And I'll show you how we did that. So I can scroll right down here. I'm on this in the Biden Action Center. And there's a link to launch my own grassroots fundraising page. I click on that, and here we go. This is my profile here. That's my profile picture. I hope you all like it there. Yeah. And so there's a couple things I can do, right? I can tell people why they should donate to my page. And here I've said, oh, Joe Biden's a great vice president. Why not keep him right where he is? Sounds like a pretty good argument to me. I can set a fundraising goal, right? So I can click this. It'll say, oh, set a reachable personal fundraising goal. Okay, how about $500? That sounds pretty good. And once I save that, I'll get a cool little thermometer there. And when my friends and family come to this page, they'll be able to help me kind of fill that up and reach my goal, which is going to be, I think it's really powerful. We've helped to optimize sharing of these links out. You'll see there's a tweet and Facebook link up here. I'm going to show you one last thing. When I click this link here, you'll notice that it suggests a message to me, but it also changed the link a little bit. And here it's giving me a unique link that's not just unique to my grassroots fundraising page, but it's also unique to the fact that I'm the person who's sharing it out. And what we're able to do using that is to track how powerful somebody's social network is, right? How much clout they have with their friends. So as a campaign, you're able to see, Maggie has such amazing supporter network. When she tweets something out, it's clicked on by at least 100 people. And that doesn't have to be something that you're doing on the back end of a database. That's something that you're able to see right on somebody's profile. And we've kind of aggregated that data together into what we call share power, which is listed right here. So bringing those hard metrics, fundraising, around events, around share power, around calls, right to somebody's profile is a real driver of productivity, which is really great. All right, I'm going to go now back and talk a little bit about